Hi, Tina. Good evening, Tina.
Teacher,
How are you feeling, Tina? Are you tired today?
I'm fine.
Oh, you are fine. That's good to know. Did you go to Lina's competition in the morning? Did you watch her?
Of course.
Oh, you did. Okay. So, was it fun? How was it, Tina? Was it fun? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy, Tina? What is happening? Are you doing something? Are you doing something? Okay, just speak up once you're ready. Tina, I cannot hear you. Please speak up once you're ready. Tina, I cannot hear any audio right now.
Okay. I'm going to.
Okay, are you ready to learn now, Tina?
Not yet.
Okay, what are you doing? Okay, just tell me once you're ready. And I will grab a glass of water first, okay? But I will listen to you. Are you doing homework right now? Are you doing homework right now? Okay, take your time, Tina.
Teacher,
Yes,
do
I
you
am
know I'm
listening.
sick?
No. Oh, now I know. Okay, so you have a runny nose. Just a runny nose? No other?
No, I'm really sick.
Oh, you are really sick? Why? Maybe it's because of the weather. Did it rain? Did it rain today? Tina? Did it rain today, Tina? What are you doing? Are you answering your homework? Are you answering your homework? Does your head hurt, Tina? Does your head hurt?
Very, very.
Oh, very much? Oh no. Okay, please make yourself comfortable, Tina. Because if your mom told me that you are not feeling well, you should have, you could have um took a day off, just like Lina. Okay, now let me share my
I can't,
screen.
but I want to mom to pay money.
Oh, no, she will not as long as she tells me in advance, Tina. Okay, so we'll now have this picture. Okay, so look at it, Tina. Wait, let me have it this way. Okay, it's bigger this way. So look at it carefully and tell me if the following sentences are true or not. Okay, true or false. Are you ready now? Tina, does your head hurt, Tina? Are you okay? Tina,
Yeah,
what are you doing, Tina?
I'm answering a homework.
Oh,
No,
you're
no, no. I'm just joking. I'm doing my test. ABK.
Oh, I see. That is why you are responding longer than I expect. Okay, than usual. So, are you done looking at the picture right here? Are you done? Okay, can we answer the questions now? Like, for example, Tina, the girl at the restaurant is taking a picture. Okay, yes, of course. Now, the two white dogs are going up the stairs. No, no, they aren't. Okay, so let us try answering it. Tina, you can do your activities later. Okay, your other activities later, Tina, so you can answer the questions here. Now, there is a man with black trousers going up the mountain. Is it yes or no?
Is it
Tina?
yes
Is it a yes?
or it's a no?
Okay. So, yes, Tina. See, he is going up, and this guy right here is going down. Okay, so it is. Yes, there is a man with black trousers going up the mountain. Now, the small boys are throwing snowballs at a girl. Is it yes or no? Yes? Are you serious? Okay, now it's a no, Tina, it's a no. They are not throwing snowballs at the girl. They are just making a snowball. Maybe they will be making a snowman. Okay, not throwing it to the girl. Okay, next one now. Both the people who are walking down the mountains are carrying skis. What do you think, Tina?
I think.
What is
No,
it?
no, no.
No. Oh, it's a yes, Tina. It's a yes. See, look at them. They are carrying skis. Okay. Both the people are carrying skis, Tina. Now, the waiter who is giving the family their drink is wearing a white jacket. Okay, look at the picture. The waiter who is giving the family their drink is wearing a white jacket. Tina, are you still doing your activity in ABK?
Of course.
Oh my gosh. But we are learning, Tina. Can you do that after our class? Can you do that later?
Of course I can.
Okay, can we focus now? We only,
Okay.
yes, because we only have 15 minutes left, Tina. Okay, so again, the waiter who is serving the family their drinks, is wearing a white jacket. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes, so that's right. Now, proceeding to the next one, Tina, the woman who is talking on the phone has broken her arm. The woman who is talking on the phone has broken her arm. Yes or no? Yes. Tina. Tina, you are so serious, Tina. Very serious. Is that a long activity? How many items is that, Tina?
Uh, what do you mean?
How many items are you answering? How many items are you answering?
One?
Bạn đang trả lời bao nhiêu câu hỏi?
What? Just one?
No, no, no. Of course not.
Okay, so let us focus now, Tina. Okay, so it says that the woman talking on her phone has broken her arm. Is it yes or no?
No.
Okay, yes, of course it's a no. She has broken her leg, not arm. Now, the man who is wearing glasses has dropped his gloves. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Mm, yes.
Okay, yes, it is. Correct. Now, all the people who are round the table are wearing scarves. All the people sitting around the table are wearing scarves. Yes or no?
No.
Okay, yes, that's right, Tina. Thank you so much. Now let us proceed to another set of activity, Tina. In here, Sarah Ball, who is an astronaut, is visiting Williams School. So, what does Sarah say? Okay, so read it. Read the missing response, Tina. Like, for example, do you enjoy being an astronaut, Sarah? Sarah replied, yes, very much. Okay, now William asked, and why do you like your job? Why do you like your job? What do you think Sarah replied?
I don't see clearly.
What? Why can't you see it clearly? It's big. It is big. Okay, so again, and why do you like your job? William asked Sarah, why do you like your job? What do you think Sarah replied? What do you think did she say, Tina? What did Sarah reply? Focus, Tina. You can do your ABK later, Tina, once we're done. 10 minutes left, okay? We're almost done, so you can do that one later. Tina, you are not listening to me, Tina. Okay, again, why do you like your job? You can do two things at once, Tina. You cannot do two things at once.
Not do two things at once
Yes, you are. You are learning with me
because
and you're answering.
very exciting work.
Okay, yes,
Letter
that is.
A.
Yes, that is right, Tina. Thank you. Now, what subject did you like best at school? What subject did you like most at school? It's a very easy one, Tina. What subject do you think Sarah liked when she was a student?
Hmm. Can you say again? I can't hear you.
Okay, William asked, what subject did you like best at school?
I think I like geography best.
Okay, yes, very good. It is E. How long must you study to be an astronaut? How long must you study to become an astronaut? Yes? Yes, Tina. Hmm?
Okay.
It says, how long must you study to be an astronaut? How long must you study, Tina?
About 8 years.
Okay, yes, that is correct. It is F.
Ooh.
What do you eat when you're in space? What do you eat when you're in space?
Letter. Letter D.
D? No, I'd like to go there, but we're talking about food, Tina. Remember, William asked, what do you eat when you're in space? Not, no, I'd like to go there. That is out of the context. Okay? We're
We have
talking about,
strange food which tastes horrible.
yes, it
Can I
is.
some strange food?
What?
Teacher, I like to see some of their strange food.
Okay, let us see. Wait, let me erase my writings first. What do astronauts eat in space? Oh, like this, Tina. This one. I don't know what this is.
Ew, I don't like that.
See?
That's some strange food.
Yeah, it's really strange. See,
Well, I like this.
they have apple
Candy.
cider, M&Ms. M&Ms? Okay, so they also have strawberry drink. I don't know what these are, Tina. I
This
don't know.
candy. I love candy.
Oh, okay, you love candy. I see. Okay, so these are their food in space, Tina. I think these are peanuts, cookies, biscuits. Yeah, it's really strange. Do you want to be an astronaut? You don't want to be an astronaut now? Okay. Now, Tina, going back. Wait.
Yeah.
So, have you been to the moon yet? Okay, have you been to the moon yet? What is the answer? William asked Sarah, have you been to the moon yet?
No, but I like to go there.
Okay, yes, that is right. It's the letter D. Okay, and it's done. Tina, thank you so much. Now let us proceed to part 4. Okay, so read the story and choose one word from the box. Okay, do you want to see the box?
No.
Okay. Start now, Tina.
I've got 2 little brothers. Their names are David and Harry. Harry is 5 years old and David is 7 years old. They don't look like brothers because their hair is different, but they wear the same the same shirts and eat the same food. Last week they were playing baseball together in the garden. Then David fell over and hurt his foot. He cried a lot, so Dad decided to take him to the hospital. We all got into the car and Dad drove there very quickly. The doctor felt David's foot. Don't cry. You'll be okay, she said. Can I see? Can I see? Is it brave? Be
Yes,
brave?
okay, yes, that's correct. Be brave. I'll give you some medicine.
You some medicine and then it will
It will?
stop her. And
Very good. Okay, continue, Tina.
I don't usually like medicine, said David when the doctor gave to him. But it is great. Taste like it tastes like
You don't know. It tastes like.
it tastes like chocolate. Can I have some? Asked Harry. My foot hurts too. No, said the doctor, and we all laughed.
Okay, thank you so much, Tina. Now you got one answer or one blank incorrectly because we don't have shirt here, right? You said that they don't look like brothers because their hair is different, but they wear the same shirts, which is correct, Tina. But in here, we don't have shirts. It should be clothes, okay? They wear the same clothes. Okay. Just that, but you got it all, most of it correctly. So you can continue answering the other activity now. Good night, Tina.
Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye. Night night.
Night now.